we put Emmeline on the video. She never wants to be seen online, so.
What do you think about it, Emily?
You're doing a great job. Looks good.
I mean, wait, we should give you a secret name. Emily.
Nobody's gonna know.
They're gonna know. How would they know?
This is definitely not the Emmeline from Rexburg that's going to BYU, Idaho.
Why are you trying to dox me? No, I'm gonna get stalkers from all of the fans that
Yeah.
Wizard Time has on the
I
internet.
know. She's definitely not a Dungeons and Dragons Ultra Lord Master. What's the highest
I
ranking?
play D&D.
But what's the highest ranking? Highest honor?
It's not really.
But the triple level wizard? Or
Let's go with
ruby diamond wizard. That would be the highest? I
Let's
don't
go
know.
with that. Let's go with that.
No, there's got to be something. Like, what is the highest level pinnacle of Dungeons and Dragons?
It can be level 20.
Level 20 what, though?
Whatever you want.
Okay, level 20. Don't you think, Freddie?
I'm level 21.
Wow. Just an overachiever. That's crazy.
That is crazy.
A hot tub. Because
Oh, because they're unreal.
they're really-
Hot tubs are the best. Huh, Tony?
Hot tub.
Hot tub. That's how you should respond. If anyone's ever talking to you while you're filming. How are you doing, Freddie? Hot tub. This one, if I had to guess, because it's infrared and traditional, is above $6,000. So like $6,700. Is that?
It's mildly higher than what I can afford.
Whatever. You've been hustling stickers. You're set. You told me you shipped out like 20 or 40. And I saw
that
she
doesn't
charges
equal,
a and
that
she
doesn't
charges
equal
a
$6,000.
she charges a premium for her goods. It's like $10 to $15. Oh, she makes these really cool custom stickers and keychains and mini art. Is that micro art?
I put art prints, yeah.
Yeah, art prints, but small, mini ones. They're cool. And we learned that Emmeline's secretly into Gravity Falls.
I don't think it's a
Oh, it's
secret.
not a secret, actually. It's well known out in the public.
Yeah, that's the first thing people know about me, really, is all the children's cartoons that I watch.
That's like, no, Freddy's into adult cartoons, anime.
Hot tub.
Hot tub. What is it? Soul Bender, Soul Snatcher, or something you're watching?
Which one?
Soul something?
Solo leveling?
Solo Leveling. There we go.
That's an anime.
Yeah, I was way off.